Today is our second Saturday of the season, and it's very exciting, a lot of fun. This morning we worked on some lighting stuff we needed to figure out. Then we worked on scenes 5 and 6. Really spent some good quality time on that, working on some of the lines. We went more in detail than we were going to do, but it worked out going pretty good. Then we went to lunch. Thank you, parents. We had walking tacos, and my mom brought drinks. Had cookies, brownies. It was all really good. Now we are working on setting up the ghetto back there. So, exciting day. Time to keep working.
I'm probably gonna die this practice.
Oh, I got it. Go.
We've made a lot of progress, but not a fan of the progress stage. I like to just get there.
Yeah, that's not gonna work. Okay.
Go! I've been working on my lines. I've been working on a voice for my character. Kind of the attitude. I've been experimenting, trying to see what I need to do to come up with it. But we're making a lot of progress.
We haven't gotten a lot of progress, but we're working. And we're gonna get it done.
Yeah! I just help with music. Not a lot of progress.
Once we get past the walking, it'll be a lot more fun.
Tell me again why you invited me on this journey. Let's stop here.
Yeah, stop, and just like face it, right?
Yeah.
Good. Here's how I think I would play it. I would see what's going on, and I would be like, it can be flipped on its side or whatever.
Nervous, having a lot of anxiety about this play because I don't really know how all this works. This is my first year.
Right.
So why could that be? It goes in the back of the way, that's
in the very next scene.
Should be on that side.
And I don't want them to think, oh, he was just there. I want them to realize something's up. I want them.
I was joking. We've made a lot of progress.